Cessation. Cessation is a noun that refers to the act of stopping or ending something. It is commonly used to describe the discontinuation or termination of an activity, process, or state. This word is often used in formal or legal contexts and signifies a deliberate and final halt to something. Here are a few examples that illustrate the usage of cessation. 1. The company announced the cessation of its operations in the country due to financial difficulties. Here, cessation is used to describe the complete halt of the company's activities in that particular country. 2. The doctor advised her to quit smoking for the sake of her health and to prevent the cessation of lung function. In this sentence, cessation is used to convey the idea of the complete stopping or ending of lung function. 3. The ceasefire agreement led to the cessation of hostilities between the two warring factions. Here, cessation is used to describe the end of hostilities or fighting between the two groups. 4. The government implemented strict measures to ensure the cessation of illegal activities in the area. In this example, cessation is used to emphasize the complete ending or discontinuation of illegal activities. 5. The judge ordered the immediate cessation of construction work on the disputed property until further investigation. Here, cessation is used to indicate the immediate stoppage or termination of construction work. In all these examples, cessation is used to convey the idea of a deliberate and final ending or stopping of something, whether it is an activity, process, or state.